This is the before and after that one of my investor renovation the house. Here's the house we just bought. This is all cash as is. It's from bank foreclosure, but they make an auction online. So if you investor that you like to buy investment property, good deals, you can call us. If you are wholesaler, realtors, investors, sellers, have a house with any condition, you want a quick cash as is offer, give us a call. We can buy it for you cash as is, close within 2-3 hours after title work clear. This is what we have been buying in the last 22 years in Memphis and in 50 states. I'm also certified coach and mentor. We have coaching classes for real estate agent, wholesaler, entrepreneur, investor, loan officer, mortgage originator. Take the business to the next levels. Or you want to have access to a top agent or a list of investors, have cash ready to buy so you can take your business to the next level. Or you have people want to do a short sale, we can take care for you right away. Okay? You need to cash out. You need to learn how to buy a property with no money from your pocket. As an investor, you can call us. We can support you out. This is one of the investors took the money out so they can do it with no money from their pocket. They used leverage in depth so they can get the money and buy a house that need work and renovation. He did an awesome renovation for the house that he owned. This particular one is he renovation of his own home. You have seen this before and just have saw this after picture already. This is his personal home that he did for himself. But we have a lot of investors and ourselves that we ready to buy any property you have. So if you're watching this video and you have sellers, as a real estate agent, you may have sellers don't want to put house in the market. They need a quick cash offer. Call us. We can take care for you. I'm also a founder of Dati Mortgage. We devote, assure, transparency, and we do integrity. I broke all the record out there. To give back to the community, I'm open up to coaching for loan originators and real estate agents. Please call the person who sent this to you.